Heather. I'll be singing On My Own from Lane and Smith. Please enjoy. On my own, pretending he's beside me. All alone, I walk with him till morning. Without him, I feel his arms around me. And when I lose my way, I close my eyes and he has found me. In the rain, the pavement shines like silver. Oh, the lights are misty in the river. In the darkness, the trees are full of starlight, and all I see is hitting me forever and forever. And I know it's only in my mind that I'm talking to myself and not to him. And although I know that he is fine, still I say there's a way for us. I love him, but when the night is over, he is gone. The river's just a river. Without me, his world will go on turning. Well, that's full of happiness that I have never known. I love him, but only on my own. Thank you. If you like it, thumbs up, and please subscribe below for other songs I should sing. Have a great day.